chat? Have you read the instruction? Have you read the instruction? Okay, Vivan. So I'm giving you 10 minutes. Now you revise word meaning of all the 4 things, 2 chapters and 2 poems.
Ma'am, what we have to do now? Because I joined just now.
Go through the chat, everybody.
Excuse me, ma'am, which chapter?
Are being taught to you, beta. Unit 1 and Unit 2.
Ma'am, what is
Yesterday
the
of
heading?
who said to whom we had taken yesterday?
Ma'am,
Those 2 chapters. The Little Fir Tree.
these chapters.
The Little Fir Tree. Only word meaning. Huh? Question answers were done yesterday. Who said to whom was done yesterday. Today we are taking only 1-line question answer. Word meaning and 1-line question answer of the poems. 2 poems. Wake Up and Noses.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent your dictation words.
So no need of telling it right now in this class. Those who are sending me the dictation word or whatever work, I immediately revert beta. So no need of telling me right now. I immediately revert when I get your work. Go through the new words. Go through the new words which are given at the end of the chapter. And we had already done. Remember these word meanings we had done when we had gone through these chapters. So you just try to remind. Try to remember. If the word struggles given, then tries very hard. Struggle is the trying very hard. That way, it will not be difficult at all.
Ma'am, what is meaning of mutters?
Yes, Trisha?
What is meaning of mutters? Mutters.
Softly.
What, ma'am?
Softly.
Ma'am. say something in a very low voice.
3 more minutes for revision, darling. 3 more minutes for revision.
Ma'am, there are no word meanings. There are only new words in both the chapters. So, Atinan, there is no word meanings. There are only new words. So, what we had to do?
Now one more single last minute. Last minute. A single minute will be given to you for revision and then we shall start. And friends, as you all know that every Friday we have CET. Remember, every Friday we have CET. In the same way, tomorrow also it will be there. But it will be in the Google form, which we have in our English class never tried. You must have tried, I mean, you must have used it for your maths, EVS, everything. But for English, we had never tried it.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
tomorrow we will be having our unit test through Google form. I request not
Ma'am,
to
which
be
chapter?
absent tomorrow, but for any reason, like Lamha said yesterday, if there is unavoidable reason, then you will have to manage yourself. But there will be CET. And you all know that every Friday we have it. There is nothing new. Yes, Lama?
Ma'am, will you send it in the classroom?
Of course, I will be sending.
Okay, ma'am.
Ridhan Goyal, is this a friend's chat going on? Ridhan Goyal, what is this? Hi, Jahan. Is it a party going on?
Ma'am, of which chapter will be
Stop
Google
sending
Form?
such nonsense messages. Chat is not for chatting. Mickey, control yourself, please.
Ma'am,
And
I
if
have
you
a
want to talk to
question and
each other,
question.
you may leave the classroom and go and talk to each other. Chat yourself. Chat box doesn't mean chatting nonsense. Okay. So I hope you must have written today's day everything in your notebook.
Ma'am, I have a question. Can I
Yes,
ask?
Ayush, please ask.
Ma'am, in question answers of the first chapter, there one is that who are awake before the child does. So is it only a hen will come, or all these like the cow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep, and the tiniest chicken all will come?
All.
All.
आणि
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
एका
ma'am.
पाठात केलं होतं गिरिजा
I hope you can see the chat which I have sent. Now here I am sending you the question paper.
test chapter C.
Which chapter CET, ma'am?
Guys, I have already sent it in the chat.
Okay.
Devyosha, what are you doing? Changing your camera again and again. Arrange yourself properly.
Has
Ma'am,
been
you don't
observed that
have
you write
questions.
only date and you don't write the day. So today I have written the date and the day, both the things on the paper today. I want you to copy it. Not only day, but date and day, both the things. And don't
Ma'am,
send okay, ma'am. I understand that you understand what I am saying. Don't send okay, ma'am. No need of that.
Radhi ma'am, we have to write only answer. Ma'am.
Still, these people are asking whether we have to write down only answers. Now, what to do with these people? In such bold things, I have already mentioned, told 1,000 times. It is only answers, only answers. Still, they are asking, ma'am, do we have to write down only answer?
Ma'am, you write on the top also. Only answers. Ma'am, we have to write it in one word or one sentence?
Full sentence.
Full sentence, na?
Full sentence. Answer must be in full sentence. Vivan Balchandani can get out from the classroom. Mr. Balchandani Vivan, get out from the classroom and go to Jahan's place to say him hi and hello. Both the things, hi and date and day, both. Instruct me to scroll down. I know when to scroll down. Cannot see her. Done?
Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am, doing like this, am I right? I was saying that I'm doing like that. That answer number one, the answer. Then I am reading the question, then thinking the answer, writing answer number two, and writing the answer.
Answers after we are solving this, because this is not CET. No kind of test, no kind of exam this is. So this is just a revision.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of motors?
Doing revision, that time also one child had asked this and I had answered. So while doing the revision, why couldn't you pay the attention properly? At that time you should have asked me.
Vansh Balchandran, can you switch on your camera?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your pronunciation is black. Ma'am, yes.
Vansh, where is Vivan?
Ma'am, it is full blank.
Yes, ma'am.
Now is it all right?
No, ma'am.
Did it?
No, Swati ma'am, it is black completely.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is.
Ma'am, now it is visible.
And now
Okay,
it
beta.
is. Ma'am, should we underline the answers?
Yeah. However, it is comfortable with you in whichever way. Because I every time tell you, after all, this revision is for you. You are going to read the revision. You are going to revise whatever you have written. So I don't mind in whichever way you write down. The only thing I ask you not to write down the question in order to save the time, nothing else. In order to save the time, I'm asking you not to write down the question, nothing else. Otherwise, you are free to write down in whichever way you want.
Ma'am, ma'am, Ma'am,
Say, what do you want to say?
ma'am, I am some moving the screen. It is coming white screen.
सिंपल बोलो योर स्किन इज नॉट प्रेजेंटेड दिखता है आपको
Ma'am,
Ma'am, on your screen, Swati now.
बैठा
ma'am,
Ayansh,
Is
screen
there
is
any
visible.
connection
Beta,
problem?
check your screen again.
ma'am, my screen is also perfect.
You change the direction of your phone.
Can you remember?
Using phone. No, Swati ma'am, it is perfect.
बोलो मैम जी
Okay, okay.
Ayansh, are you using phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Has to change the direction of the phone. Make it
Okay.
straight.
Ma'am, it is straight only. Ma'am, I have put it straight only. It is coming like that only. I am putting some down. It is coming full white screen.
Ayansh, keep your phone like this. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Keep it like this, then you will be able to see.
Thank you so much, Kairi ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ही है बस
स्क्रीन में खाली क्वेश्चन नंबर 4
मैम
तक ही आ रहा
मैम मैं स्क्रीन में सिर्फ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 तक ही आ रहा है और कोई आ ही नहीं रहा
हाँ इतना पूछो उधर दिक्कत मत करो
Ayansh, it will come, bacha.
Join again, beta. I will wait for you. I understand, Vihan, you have done your work.
Vansh Balchandani, where is your brother Vivan? He is not sitting with you.
Yes, Mickey, go and come fast.
मैम आ गया नो मैम इट इज नॉट विथ मी
So where is he? He is not online also.
मैम आई कॉल हिम
Ma'am, I am on sixth question. Please do please. Ma'am, I am on sixth question. But okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Lakshay, not do up. Scroll up. You should say please scroll up, not do up. Okay. Vivan Patel, what is the spelling of no if we don't know the answer? What is the spelling of that no? Vivan Patel?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए. Hello, ma'am. बोलिए.
I am asking you what is the spelling of don't know? No spelling.
KNOW.
This. Why have you written no? This is English class. You cannot use any other things. Short form, fashionable English. No, not allowed.
Okay, ma'am.
हमारा लाइक जाओ.
Ma'am.
स्वाति मैम.
Ma'am.
Come on, speak. Yes, Riddhi.
Ma'am, first I had written an answer of 10. Ma'am,
Okay, fine. For me, there is no problem. You understand no which question and which answer. That's all.
ma'am, ma'am, ma'am,
To what sort of light you are showing? Ah, yes, come on. Who wants to ask me? Vihan?
ma'am, I am asking that if we, ma'am, at the 10th question it is written at what time do you wake up during holiday? So, I wake up earlier than regular school days, so I can write that.
Yes, these answers will be different for everybody. This is not the question based on our textbook or lesson. So you can write down at whatever time you wake up. Yes, Lama.
Ma'am, my sister wake up at 11.
Ma'am.
Darling, listen. It wakes up. My sister wakes up. It is a third person. So it is wakes up. 11 o'clock.
Yes.
Oh, 11 o'clock. Great.
And she eats the lunch at 2 o'clock. Ma'am, I wake up at 12 o'clock.
Okay, stop discussing now. Shall we start discussing the answers? We have only 8 minutes with us now.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we write?
Ma'am, only
I want to write
only 2 minutes. Ma'am, ma'am, can I say? Ma'am,
फटाफट पेलू रीड करी ना फिर लखो मैं मुझे स्लाइड वाला
Ma'am, I am on 10th.
क्या गई बुक?
Ma'am, and you have written the spelling of lecture is wrong. After E there comes a T.
Wrong? What is wrong?
Silent. Yes, ma'am. It is T-H-E-R. It is S-L-E-T-C-H-E-R.
Yeah. T silent, ma'am.
See, here I am writing only answer, one word, because we have less time. We have shortage of time, so I am writing only one word answer. But in your notebook, it should be full sentence. And you are not going to send me any copy, photocopy today. I mean, any picture today. You are not going to send me any picture today.
Ma'am.
This is not homework.
Ma'am, you second one. Swati ma'am. Ma'am, in a survey, I have written unable. I have okay unable. Then I have written 2 hours unable. Then we have the alarm clock at 6 o'clock in morning.
Not in morning.
Ma'am, can write Neha's alarm in the place of 6 o'clock in the morning. Ma'am, opposite of able, unable can also be there. Ma'am,
Audible?
able, unable can also be.
Unable.
Ma'am, it can be not able also, no?
No. Either disable or unable.
Not able is not.
Not able nahi, enable nahi. See, there is a word enable also, but this is not the opposite of able.
Ma'am, I have written.
Ma'am, I have written meaning of mutters to speak in a very low voice.
Perfect. It is correct.
Ma'am, I have written to whisper.
Ma'am, can you
Yes,
do
dear.
number 2 why it is left?
But ma'am, in mutters, I have written to whisper softly.
Whisper is correct word. Perfect.
Okay, ma'am.
Now for question 9 and 10, I'm not writing the answers because it is up to you.
Ma'am,
But I'm not writing the answer.
Ma'am, I write in question 5, a goat came and ate all the green leaves. It's okay?
Sorry, I didn't get you. I didn't get you.
I return in question
I
5.
have written. Rithan, say I have written.
I have written on in question 5, a goat came and ate all the green leaves. It's okay?
Yes, it is okay. This was also very important question that the capital letter always starts with a, I mean, proper noun always starts with a capital letter because you make mistakes in writing. So you should know that if it is a capital proper noun, I have seen, on your answer sheets of the paper that when you are writing your own name, you are using small letter. I wonder in grade 4, how can you? If you are writing name, if you are writing Vivan, Lamha, Khevna, whatever it is, Madhuri, Sangeeta, Nilima, you are writing the first letter small. How can you?
Never do that.
And many a times you don't use I, which I stands for our own self, which I stands for own self. That also I you write down in a small letter. So that is also not acceptable. Always remember this.
I am on 10th. Can you scroll down?
You want me to scroll down? So now here once again I want to remind you, tomorrow will be CET, and tomorrow please don't be late since it will be in the Google form. I won't be scrolling it, I won't be able to scroll it up and down. It will be in the Google form. I will be sharing a link with you. So please be on time. Mickey, are you the watchkeeper?
Ma'am,
Timekeeper? Mickey, a
Ma'am,
new
which
duty for
chapter?
you. Timekeeper.
Radhi ma'am.
Ma'am, which chapter?
Oh,
Of
Vivang,
Google
Vivang Patel, very good morning to you. Vivang Patel, very good morning to you. Now he is asking me which chapter. Very
Keuri ma'am, I
intelligent,
wanted
Vivang.
to tell you something. Keuri ma'am.
No, name of Google form. Ma'am,
Yes, Lama.
Keuri ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, I wanted to tell you that tomorrow I'm going to Rajasthan. So tomorrow is EVS class. So I can't attend the class. So you just send in the classroom what you have done, or you send a recording video.
Are you telling to Keuri ma'am or to me?
Both of you.
But we cannot send you the recording, darling. I will be sending you the link of the Google form.
Okay, ma'am.
That will be the only thing tomorrow we will do. So it is as good as recording. When I will send you the link, you will be able to solve the paper and send it to me. That's all.
Ma'am.
And Lamha, for yes, we are going to discuss about the how to look at the tickets and all. So if you want recording, please write a mail to me, and then I
Okay,
can
ma'am.
proceed. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Anya Mittal, thank you for information because we are not aware of it. Nobody is aware of this. So Anya Mittal, thank you very much for these nonsense things. So here we are now leaving.
Ma'am,
Bye and be ready for tomorrow's test. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Miss you.
bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Sashi, ma'am. I'll miss you. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, dear.
Sashi, ma'am, I'll miss you.
Okay, same here. You mean to say you will miss me, right? Bye.
Ma'am, which chapter is CG tomorrow?
Hey, Ishwar. Tomorrow, first 2 chapters and first 2 poems.